So this is everything that come in the On3 kit plus the AC line, the factory AC line that will not work. These are the fittings I was saying. I can't imagine what in the world these would be for. The metric thread, I'm sure it's probably something incredibly obvious and I'm just dumb and overlooking it. But anyway, this is all the hardware that come. I think actually there was another Allen head bolt, but the whole filter adapter, feed line, return hose, and here's the oil drain fittings. The driver's side takes this crazy setup here. Fancy manual boost controller. Not going to use that. For comparison, this is the bolts that come with the On3 kit, and this is out of the JBA kit, the hardware for the JBA shorties. I mean, that's a pretty substantial difference. You know, they're both the same thread. It's just the head of the bolt is actually smaller. And a couple of these, when I use these, like say on the bottom, a couple of them I had to put washers on just because I didn't like the way they were sitting centered in the headers. But anyway, a couple of them I didn't use washers, so it's not absolutely necessary, but if it makes you feel better, I can tell you a 3/8 size washer is too big. I got the smallest 3/8 washers I could find, and they were too much. They were actually bigger than the 14 mil head on these. So in here you've got these clamps. Let's go back to the factory exhaust after the downpipe portion. Battery cable, relocation, reroute. I've got to do that as well. The boundary oil pump gears, of course. This is one of the wastegates. I have the other one, blow off valves, downpipe, all that good stuff. But for now, I'm gonna try to drill